Guys, Kelly Wheeler here with EXP Realty, and I want to drop some truth bombs on you today. You know, if you've been on Facebook, if you've been on YouTube, and you, like me as a realtor, get caught up with all of the little shiny objects that you see, all of the new strategies that cost you $39.99 or $49.99 or God forbid $999, and you're buying this crap. Can I just tell you to stop? Get back to the basics. So today I want to talk about the lies that are being put on you by a lot of people who are out not even selling real estate, man. They're out there selling you programs. Guys, I just want to encourage you as a real estate agent, quit buying into this illusion that if you do his program, you're going to make 100K your first year. Can you make 100K, 200K? Yes, you can. But very few agents do that. They don't pay the price and they get caught up in this cycle. And with the ability to retarget you. Have you ever been on a website, maybe on Facebook or you've caught a YouTube video and you happen to be, you log off and the next day you go on and you go to a Home Depot or you go to, Macy's or whatever, and boom, there is that person's stuff on their website. Well, they've retargeted you. As a realtor, we are famous for buying the $49.99 shiny objects. Oh, if we buy this expired program, or if we get this FSBO program, hey, this is the best way for you to get to $100,000 a year if you do this, this, and this. And by the way, for just a small fee of, guys, stop. Please, for the love of God, stop the insanity. I want to set some of you guys free. You have within you the ability to make a very good living. Guys, I hate to break it to you, but the agents that are really truly making 150, 250, 300,000 or more a year have done something you as a newer agent or an agent that hasn't really produced in a long time, they've done something you haven't done. They put in the time. They've built the sphere of influence. They have name and brand recognition. You don't have enough money to buy that. So here's what you're going to do. Get back to the basics. Keep it simple, stupid. You have, if you're a licensed real estate agent, the ability to reach out to 6 month plus older expireds right now. Develop 1 to 4 letters. Go ahead right now and pull 100 expireds from 6 months ago in your area that are still expired. Send them a letter once a week for 4 weeks. Make sure your letter has a very unique offer. Don't just introduce yourself. I'm a realtor. I'd love to meet with you. I think I can help you. You better have some good offers. Hey, listen, Mr. Homeowner, I know your home is for sale way back yonder. I'd love to have a conversation with you just to share with you what's going on in the local area if you decide in the future to go back on the market. Has anybody gotten with you, Mr. Past home seller, and showed you an actual breakdown of what profit you would make on your home? I would love to stop by and give you a net sheet that would show you, if you decide to go back on the market and finally get your home sold, how much profit you're going to make. Can I drop that list by? Oh, and by the way, if you decide in the future to go ahead and sell your home, Mr. Expired, would you like to see a program that can get a good portion of your listing commission back to you? I have developed this super sensitive ninja tactic strategy, and it's worked quite well. I'd love to share it with you. By the way, you don't have to list. See, guys, you're offering things. Don't just tell them how great you are. You work for a great realtor. You'll communicate with them. You'll do all of this, stuff that every other agent does. So consistency. Send out 400 letters and cost you $200. That's your marketing budget for expireds. You can do 50 expires and 50 FSBOs. Make sure you've got an offer. So guys, that's the key for longevity, and that's the key for getting some closings. Here's the other one. And by the way, I'm going to put this stuff on the bottom of the video. Something super simple. There is a corporation out there, a company called Thanks.io. I'm going to give you a link on the bottom. If you use it, I believe you still get $10 worth of free postcards. You can literally send postcards, including postage and the card, for 49 cents. They have a super incredible targeting map system. So if you want to pull all of the renters in your zip code, I just did one in Claremont, Florida, 3,200 renters that make between $50,000 and $150,000 a year that have been living in their apartments or houses for over 3 years. I bought the list. It cost me $85. You tell me if that's not a targeted list. Then go to the buyer and offer them something. Hey, are you tired of being a renter? Would you like to see how to go from renter to homeowner and fire your landlord? Also, would you like to explore some options that might have zero down payment scenarios for you and your family? Would you also like to find out how we can get a part to all of your closing costs paid? Now is the time. It's never been better for you and your family to not only save thousands of dollars, but to be able to move on from renting. I would love to share with you. I have a passion for this, Mr. Renter. Guys, those are some serious offers. So you go to thanks.io, you pull that list for 85 bucks. Now you've got a mailing list with their name and where they live. Budget a couple $100 a month, start sending them out. Go to thanks.io, find 300 of them. There's 150 bucks right there, and start sending them postcards. On Facebook, utilize Facebook groups. Start joining no more than 10 because you'll get banned. 10 buy-sell groups a day. My God, I'm dropping some serious stuff here, guys. Are you getting this? Quit buying into the stuff you're hearing. Quit buying all these programs. Stick to the basics. Realtors, you are literally 3 months away from financial freedom, closing some deals if you'll start getting these letters sent out. I'm telling you right now, direct mail, when you send a letter, that's almost a 89 or a 98% open rate. Your emails, they're getting opened about 8% of the time. Your texts are getting opened almost 100% of the time. So stick with what's working. So let's recap. For those of you that are frustrated, you're not seeing a lot of deals, but you think the solution is in buying all of this fancy bull crap that you're getting hammered with, just stop. Start sending out your expired letters. Send out your FSBO letters. Put great content. Take some time. Take a week if you have to. Shut your door. Brainstorm, what offer can I make that doesn't look like it's a sales pitch, but I'm truly wanting to help this expired owner or this FSBO, and start getting those letters out. Go to thanks.io, start a free account, use my link, get you 10 bucks in postcards, and start using their geo-targeted list to pull renters. Now you got buyers on demand. Go to Facebook, join 10 groups a day, buy-sell groups within 50 miles of your house. Start dropping some stuff on their sites of things you can do to help these buyers to solve the problem of renting, become the solution. Right? So guys, there's so much you can do out there. Here's the deal. It ain't in crap. It's not in whipping out your credit card and buying that new thing. You've got the MLS. You've got access to expireds right now. You've got thanks.io. You've got access to buyers list right now. You've got Facebook, Marketplace. Start calling realtors. Borrow their listings. Go put them on Marketplace. Get you some buyers. Offer the buyers an incentive to deal with you for that home. Whew, man, I can't believe it. We got through it. So guys, whatever you do, if you want to make $100K a year in real estate, shut your friggin' door, take some time, and work what you already have as a realtor, buyers and sellers at your fingertips. Man, I hope this made sense to you. I got a passion to help realtors get free and stop with this incessant need to think you have to buy every new coach's widget. Guys, that's the tip for the day. Man, go out and get you some, and I look forward to hearing your comments. And please understand, my heart is to help you guys. I spent years training. I spent years doing this stuff. My help or my hope and my concern is that I can pull some of you out of that endless cycle of buy, but never convert, and start getting you something. All right, man, that's it for today. I appreciate every one of you, and drop me some comments below. I appreciate you guys. Have a fantastic, fantastic day.